Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a full set on these nails today, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and check out my process. This is a new set on this client, so I'm going to start by removing the free edge from her natural nails using my nail clippers. I like using toenail clippers for this step just because they're thicker, they're bigger, and they're sturdier. So to start her nail prep, I'm going to remove any dead skin from the cuticle area using my cuticle bit, which can be found on ctones.com. I will be using a fine sanding band to blend her cuticles and etch over the surface of each nail, and then I will be applying her forms and primer and get started on the acrylic application process. For this step, I'm going to be starting with a natural colored acrylic. While the acrylic is still wet, I'm going to be using some of the glitter sheds from my towel to apply into the acrylic and encapsulate with clear. Once all of the acrylic is dried completely, I'm going to remove her forms and start on the shaping process using my extra coarse sanding band. This set will be a long stiletto set, so the sanding band will help me start that shaping. Once I'm done shaping with my sanding band, I'm going to go in with my 80 grit hand file and complete the shaping process. Once the stiletto shape is as sharp as my client likes, I'm going to blend over the surface of each nail using my medium sanding band. For my last step with the E-file, I will be using my comb bit to seal and blend her cuticle area. I am now going to start on my nail art process using my foil gel and foils from ctones.com. To create a foil design, you want to start by applying your foil gel and curing it for at least 120 seconds under your UV or LED gel lamp. Once the foil gel is completely cured, I'm going to be tapping on some of this holographic gold foil, and then I will be applying the stickers before I apply a top coat. I will be using a shiny gel top coat to encapsulate and finish the design. Using brush-on resin, I'm going to start on my crystal design using crystals from California Boutique and my wax pencil that can also be found on ctones.com. Once the crystals are applied, I'm going to moisturize, and here is the finished result. As you can see, those stickers glow in the dark and they're also super pretty in the light. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget that all of the nail art and equipment you saw me using can be found on ctones.com. Don't forget to check us out on Tonez Acrylic on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. God bless.